Hello, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll learn to create a project in the Sinay Water module. You will also dive into reports generation. First, log into the Sinay Hub. You can easily navigate to the Modules page and then access the needed module. In our case, it's the Water module. Once you access the module, you land in the project's overview screen. From this screen, you can have a clear overview of all your projects and also create a new project. Let's look at how you can do this in just 5 steps. First, start by selecting the area to be monitored, which can be anywhere in the world. Then, define the location of your sensors or buoys. Our module is compatible with the majority of existing sensors, as well as future sensors. Sensors work using various types of connections. To connect your sensor, select the type of connection the sensors use and enter the information. Once your sensors are connected, you can set your thresholds for each parameter to receive relevant alerts in real time. You can receive these alerts via your preferred communication channels, such as email or text message. The last step, review your project before validating it. As soon as you end the project creation, you can access the project dashboard and visualize all your data at a glance. From this screen, you can precisely monitor water quality thanks to key indicators, charts, alerts, and reports. First, let's look at the historical data charts you can download by clicking the Edge button. To generate a report, use the right panel. You can generate standard reports on a predefined timescale or create your own custom report on a specific timescale. To learn more about how our solution can help you better monitor water quality and many more benefits, try our solution and book a demo. Visit our website, sinay.ai.